Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Cardano. We are going to see the 7 factors that Cardano needs to pump really hard. We are going to cover some technical analysis on ADA against USDT, against Bitcoin and against Ethereum. We are going to review the ecosystem, the news about the Cardano ecosystem on the last week. And we also are going to check those 7 important factors that Cardano ecosystem need to achieve in the couple of next months in order to really pump. If this is achieved, I really think Cardano could lead the market and have an ADA of $10. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, well, ADA token has been dumping from the last all-time high of September 2021. We are in this descending channel, and we already break that. We went actually from 78 cents into $1.24. We hit this resistance level that was important in previous price action here, and also was support here and resistance here after. We couldn't break it here on the channel, we couldn't break it here after breaking the channel, but right now we are still at this level of support. So we are not so bad, even if the crypto market in general is down. But you can see if I put the PBR indicator, all the volume trading that we have at this level, this is a very important price of resistance. So in order to be bullish, we really need to break this. We need to go about $1.30. in order to maybe start the rise to a new local high. Still, we are going to have some resistance levels, but right now it's obviously this the most important level to break. But if we are in this green rectangle, this always has been a very good place to buy ADA since February 2021. You can see if you bought here, you will get all this rally. The same here inside this rectangle. Has been always good opportunities to buy ADA, even here to the all-time high. And it was not only on 2021. If you bought here in January 2022, you will get from 94 cents to $1.23 at this point. And even if you bought here, if you hold your position, 1 month later you will also be able to sell it. So for now, we have more than 10 times that if you bought ADA inside this green rectangle was always a good opportunity, and we are very close to that. This is between $1 and almost 90 cents. So inside that, always good opportunity. And Cardano has been exploding on news this week. We have the work with the University of Zurich. This is a new alliance that has been formed. The Cardano Stiftung will unite for 3 years to further Cardano roots in academic research, including the integration of the Cardano blockchain ecosystem in the nascent UCH blockchain observatory. And we know how Cardano is expanding in many universities in Europe and also with the target of Africa. So this is bullish news for the ecosystem. And the ecosystem continue growing. This is a summary of all what happened on the Cardano ecosystem in March 2022. Already hitting almost 1,000 projects on the network, and a lot of wallets, a lot of other stake pools, many things are growing exponentially. You need to remember that we have smart contracts from September 2021. So even if the project has already 3, 4, 5 years, we are just in the beginning of creating the infrastructure of this blockchain. So I really think that we are still early. Also, Revuto announces first Cardano native staking pools. The blockchain-based subscription management and DeFi app Revuto has announced an array of exciting new staking opportunities for Revu token holders on Cardano. Users will be able to stake their Revu. No less than 8 exclusive stake pools available in the Revuto Staking Center. The pools, some of which are available now, provide both a competitive yield and the opportunity to earn unique rewards in other native Cardano tokens. So Revuto is one of the projects listed here in DeFi Llama. This is the TVL of Cardano right now, 232 millions. And you can see how little is the ecosystem already. And I mention this as a very good news because we are early on this infrastructure. If you compare, Ethereum has 121 billion already, Terra is in the $30 billion, Binance Smart Chain 13 billion, and with Cardano we have 200 million. And only we have at this moment 6 projects marking some TVL right now, which are mostly decentralized exchanges, but this ecosystem is growing. And the uptrend on the TVL, of course, will make ADA with more value in the future, and growing the TVL makes also more companies wanting to enter into the projects. If you are a Cardano holder and you are very interested about Cardano, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get the notifications. If you subscribe to this channel, you will be always up to date with all the Cardano news and also with the opportunities when to buy Cardano and when to sell it. It's nice to mention the Avalanche founder says that I'm a huge admirer of Cardano's focus on academic research. So blockchains talking about Cardano that is new in the ecosystem. And also you can now trade bonds on Cardano. According to a tete-a-tete AMA session with the representative of the platform, the goal is to create a platform similar to Aave for Cardano, besides innovative features like NFT bonds. Besides new features never seen on Cardano before, users will be able to borrow, lend, transfer, and trade loans. Implementing basic and familiar loaning and borrowing functionality is expected to ease up the transfer from an Ethereum or Solana-based platform to Cardano network. And we have more news about this. Cardano launches a new project to accelerate ecosystem growth, and this is related to the Africa ecosystem. EOG, Input Output Global Projects Catalyst, has launched Aribo, an incubator schema in collaboration with ICDAs and Pan-Africa Business Incubator. This strategic partnership aims to accelerate the growth of projects financed by Cardano's innovation engine, Project Catalyst, by providing startups with venture building skills and resources to help them develop products that address real-world problems in Africa. So yeah, the partnerships and the growth in Africa are still alive. Many people have been commenting how this is going nowhere, but you need to understand that this requires time. And Cardano is not going anywhere. We have a new all-time high with number of holders reaching 5.1 million. The Cardano network reaching this milestone of 5 million addresses functioning on the network with a year-to-date increase of 48%. And you can check that if you go to the Cardano scan, and you can see the total address and all the growth that we have been achieving. Also, more news in the decentralized exchanges for Cardano. ErgoDex launches on Cardano testnet. So ErgoDex is seeking to join the list of the decentralized exchanges on the Cardano network by launching on testnet. And you know that ErgoDex is a project from Ergo, which is a very known and established blockchain company. So ErgoDex, it will be adding very soon after they launch into the list of the decentralized exchange, and are many more to come. And Cardano ecosystem is not growing only on the decentralized exchanges, also in NFTs. We have the NFT collection on Cardano by the rapper Snoop Dogg, and this is FOMO, guys. Cardano DApps and NFT space keeps on recording noteworthy developments. Snoop Dogg goes to the Cardano biological system to send off his new NFT collectibles. And yeah, all the famous people that start to work here. We have been also with the news about the actress Polkadot entering into a partnership as an investor with a decentralized exchange for Cardano. So all this will bring FOMO and more attention into the Cardano blockchain. So I think it's very good news. Before we continue, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. It will help me a lot to grow it. And I will keep you always an honest opinion, a TA and news for Cardano. So if you are a fan of Cardano, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get the notifications. And the important thing on this video is that Cardano needs these 7 factors to pump. And that is related with this news of the Cardano whale. So according to this, Cardano whale has been tweeted something that I really support, and is that for the ecosystem to really pump, we need 1, stable coins. This is something that still is not happening in the Cardano ecosystem, but probably very soon. We have wrapped BTC and we have wrapped tokens, wrapped Ethereum and everything native on the Cardano blockchain. We need lending and synthetics. This is already happening on Cardano ecosystem. We need hardware wallet support, which also has been happening in the ecosystem. We need DEXs with limited impermanent loss. We are still in progress, but many DEXs have been already launched on Cardano. We need ADA on-chain staking support, risk-free hardware rate, and we need high throughput. So all boxes will be checked in 0 to 6 months according to that ADA whale. And yeah, Cardano stablecoins are very important because are among the most important assets for any blockchain, as stables are quite often used as a bridge between the fiat and crypto worlds. For example, previously Tron Network reported reaching $40 billion circulation for USDT Tether stablecoin based on the TRX network. So yeah, we need to be able to move USDT in Cardano blockchain and many other stablecoins also like USDC. That will be a major milestone for the Cardano blockchain, and that will bring more DeFi products and more DeFi projects also. Then the Rapid BTC, Rapid Ethereum, Rapid tokens is very unique for DeFi projects, so we really need that too. And I am agree with this 7 point. I think if we continue the path to achieve these goals, Cardano could really go to $10 easily. So yeah, seeing Cardano at $1, I think those 10x, if the ecosystem grows on those levels, on those 7 factors, I think that is a very achievable goal for Cardano. ADA against Ethereum has been not really so good right now. If you are following my channel from 2021, you know that I have been trading ADA against Ethereum, which is a very high risk trade using spot, not futures. So I have been selling my Ethereum at some points into ADA, and I have been selling ADA into Ethereum. And this risk trades has been very profitable for me during 2021. But after breaking these support areas, right now is more strong to hold Ethereum from September 2021. At that point, around here, after we broke this level, I sold some of my ADA into Ethereum, but still I hold a lot of ADA because I'm super bullish on that. But I am not trading anymore right now these two pairs. And if we check ADA against Bitcoin, similar to Ethereum, has been going down in this descending channel from September 2021. You can see all these touches here on this line of resistance, and also this line was clearly support on this downtrend, but also was resistant previously here on the tops of May and June. So yeah, we are still in this descending channel from ADA against BTC, but I am not so bullish on putting my Bitcoin into ADA. I think first we need to break this level, and we also need to break this other level, which has been resistance and support many times in the past. So only after the 3194, I think I will be considering putting some of my Bitcoin into ADA to get all these pumps action that we have from here to here and from here to here. So I will be waiting this area if we get there in order to move Bitcoin to ADA. But at that moment, I think we are going to be really in a altcoin season. So I will wait for that. But right now, I think the best strategy is to move stablecoins into ADA when we enter into this rectangle or go below to that. In terms of the indicators, we have this bearish cross on the MACD. So we still could go a little more down in price action. Even we can go and test this as support. We didn't test this breakout as support, so we can go below here at 90 cents if the market continue going down. But again, we need to look Bitcoin. If we go below $41,000 to 39, then we are really in problems, because maybe we are going again to $34,000, $33,000. Or the 30 strong level of support. Besides that, we are still going bearish here. The stochastic RSI, you can see how the momentum is going down. We are still going down, so we need to wait that. We could go a little down, but again, we are still at support of this rectangle area, so I am not too worried at this moment. We can see quickly a reverse of the trend if Bitcoin starts to rally up. And with the Miami conference and many things, I think that could happen soon if we have very good FOMO news from that. Well guys, that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed these Cardano's updates. And before we leave, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you Monday with a new video. Bye.